My wife says it feels like I'm still in the military because I'm up and gone before the crows come up. You can get up at 2:30 in the morning and work all day. So it just all depends. With a 24-hour service, that means I have to be available 24 hours. A day in the life. Jonathan Bailey, United States Marines veteran, Prime Power employee, loving life, living life. What else could a man ask for? I've been doing this job since 2004. I was 19. Got a little bit comfortable, but I really didn't learn until I got to the fleet. The one thing that we do say is voltage doesn't care. So yeah, it's a dangerous job, but I love it. All right, let's ride out, let's go. Well, when we are on call, it's a week, 24-hour call. This big time customer called about 22:30. We need to get out ASAP. We need all the generators running. So I jump in the truck, drive out to this client, get there, like it's out. When I say out, they have 2 transformers down at the time. One got struck by lightning and the other one just didn't come back up. 3 out of the 5 generators are running. Go to the switch gear, it's an easy fix. Turn them off, give them a reset, turn them back into auto, all 5 are up. Whew, thank God, great. 6:35, 6:40-ish, the power is back up. That's the biggest reason why we push maintenance is so important. So that's just one of those times where man up and, make sure people have their services. It's serious. This is why we work for Prime Power type deal. People don't understand that this job is very important. And if they lose power, they really depend on the generators. The generator not coming on can mean they losing millions of dollars. Going to the hospitals, generators don't work. That means oxygen machines don't work, elevators don't work, operation rooms are down. So it's very, very important that somebody's life is on the line. Which brings me back to the military. It's the same thing. You're saving a life whether you want to or not. We're the best. I mean, I've worked with other competitors and yeah, I'm not impressed. So Prime Power is my last stop. All right, we're finished. Everything's packed up. Got this generator ready to rock back in auto. Another day, another dollar at Prime Power.